right, this is the 2017 Ram 5500, 6.7 liter Cummins Diesel, 183,000 miles, Stellar 5520 crane, Caseco utility body. Just a quick walk around on the exterior, give you here. Crew cab, 4-wheel drive, steel front bumper. Tires here. Cloth interior. Have a look at the back. Two hands here to close these. Max lifting capacity, 5-ton block there. Honda GX 390 powering your air compressor. It's dirty. Truck hasn't been cleaned up at all, which is something that we can take care of. We can facilitate. Just trying to step down without falling. Oh boy, that's stiff. I might need to come back to this one. Set the phone down for just a second. needs lubed up because it is very, very stiff. So go ahead and just leave that alone because I'm not going to be able to close that without two hands again. To get some adjustment done on that hinge down there at the bottom. So that bottom hinge is what's prohibiting me from moving it anymore. Probably should twist that the right direction too if I want it to close. Seats lift up too. Patch repair on the driver's seat. Floor is a little bit worn out. And your center console area here from elbows. So, like I said, 183,000 miles, 6.7 Cummins Diesel, automatic transmission, AM/FM radio. It does have Bluetooth connectivity, heat and AC, which might need checked on because I don't feel anything blowing right now. Yeah. AC will need to be worked on. I hear the compressor working, but the blower itself is not blowing. Four-wheel drive, cruise control, menu settings, Bluetooth, automatic headlights, power locks and windows, power adjustable mirrors. All right. And next video that I send will also have us driving it down the road.